Have you ever wondered where a visionary like Elon Musk lays his head at night? What kind of home does a billionaire tech mogul who is reshaping the future of technology, space, and automotive industries choose? Welcome to Exploring Elon Musk's Futuristic Mansion, a look inside the tech titan's home, where we dive into the details of his unique residence in Boca Chica, Texas. This isn't just any home. It's a compact, prefab unit known as the Casita made by Boxabl, a company that specializes in affordable, minimalist designs suited for the modern age. Don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Trend for more exclusive tours like this one. Elon Musk has recently settled into a new residence in Boca Chica, Texas, which might be considered one of his most unconventional possessions to date. His new dwelling is a compact, prefabricated structure known as the Casita model from the company Boxabl, a Silicon Valley startup specializing in affordable, prefabricated homes. Despite its modest size of 345 square feet, this tiny home is valued at approximately $50,000 according to a 2022 report by Square Yards. This minimalist abode is fully equipped with all the essential modern amenities, yet designed to occupy a minimal footprint. It's quite unexpected that a billionaire known for his extravagant ventures would choose such a simple living space. There are intriguing reasons behind his choice, which we will explore. But first, let's take a closer look inside Elon Musk's compact but significant Boxable Cita to see how a billionaire optimizes space in such a small area. Elon Musk's residence in Boca Chica, Texas, is a Boxable Cita, a prefabricated modular home that epitomizes the concept of minimalistic design. Measuring precisely 20 feet by 20 feet, this foldable unit is a hallmark of Boxabl's expertise in creating compact living spaces. Despite its small size of 345 square feet, the layout is intelligently designed to encompass a living area, a bedroom, a compact kitchen, and a bathroom, mirroring the efficiency of a studio apartment. The aesthetic of the house is sharply minimalist, with a color palette dominated by whites and grays, giving it a modern and sleek look. The simplicity of the design and the functionality of the space, although minimal, achieves a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Elon Musk's Boxable Cita is structured as a studio apartment where the living space seamlessly integrates with the bedroom, divided only by a partition for privacy. The minimalist design extends to the windows, which are simple yet functional, located in both the living and sleeping areas. The interior features a navy blue sofa that doubles as the main seating in the living area, with the color scheme continuing into the bedroom where the bed's duvet complements the sofa's upholstery. Consistent with the rest of the house, the walls are painted primarily white with touches of gray and black, enhancing the overall modern and streamlined aesthetic. Elon Musk's kitchen in his Boxable Cita, though compact, is fully functional and modernly equipped. It lacks a central island but is organized around a continuous counter, crafted from a gray material that resembles granite, complementing the home's monochrome color scheme. This counter efficiently utilizes the perimeter of the kitchen space, maximizing work areas and storage. Above the counter, white wooden shelves with glass fronts provide ample storage, making items easily visible and accessible. The design integrates a single window above the kitchen sink, which brightens the space and is framed by pipes painted black to align with the house's color scheme. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area forms a simple yet elegant extension of the kitchen counter, furnished with two straightforward chairs. This arrangement underscores the house's minimalist aesthetic while providing practical dining solutions within a small footprint. Elon Musk's residence includes a modestly sized bathroom that is efficiently laid out to maximize the limited space. It features a bathtub-shower combo, accommodating the essential needs without feeling cramped. The decor continues with the house's minimalist theme, sporting white walls that enhance the perception of space. The bathroom is equipped with a single counter that houses a sink and a mirror, mirroring the material and design of the kitchen counter to maintain a cohesive look throughout the home. The sink itself is a compact, all-glass unit that adds a touch of modernity and complements the bathroom's streamlined aesthetic. This area, like the rest of Musk's Boxable Cita, sticks to the basics to utilize every square inch effectively. The images of Elon Musk's house highlight a design that prioritizes functionality and style, ensuring even the smallest spaces are comfortable and well-appointed. Elon Musk's residence at Boca Chica from Boxabl represents just a fraction of his once extensive real estate portfolio, which was reportedly valued at over $100 million. Known for his unconventional decisions, Musk viewed his real estate assets as potential liabilities. In a strategic move in 2022, he opted to liquidate nearly all his properties except for a residence in San Francisco and his Boxable home in Boca Chica. Musk's inclination towards prefabricated homes aligns with his broader vision for the future of housing, which he believes will pivot away from traditional family homes towards more sustainable, prefabricated solutions. This perspective is further supported by his aerospace company SpaceX's needs for efficient, reliable housing solutions for its lunar and Mars missions, suggesting a potential increase in prefab housing technologies. While many of Elon Musk's luxurious properties across California, including state-of-the-art modern homes in the hills, houses previously owned by celebrities, and sprawling mansions, are on the market, they remain a testament to his taste and style in real estate. These properties not only reflect his wealth, but also his belief in innovation and practicality in housing. Let's explore some of these properties to get a glimpse into the varied styles and architectures that Musk has invested in over the years. Number 1. The Bel Air Mansions. Elon Musk's properties in Bel Air represent some of his most lavish real estate investments. Located at the end of a secluded cul-de-sac, these mansions are grandiose facilities replete with numerous rooms, extensive swimming pools, and private tennis courts. The collective value of these opulent residences was estimated to be around $61 million USD. These architectural marvels stand as a testament to Musk's wealth and his affinity for luxury living spaces, equipped with all the amenities needed for extravagant comfort and privacy. Number 2. Gene Wilder's house in Bel Air. Elon Musk acquired the former residence of Gene Wilder, the beloved Hollywood actor best known for his role as Willy Wonka in the original Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Located in Bel Air, Musk transformed this iconic property into a private school tailored for his children and those of SpaceX employees, embedding a unique educational twist into the estate. Adhering to a promise made to preserve the house's historical and architectural integrity, Musk sold the property to Wilder's nephew. The sale, valued at $7 million USD, was contingent upon the condition that the new owner would not demolish the structure and would retain its original charm and character. Number 3. Colonial White Stucco House. Elon Musk's tenure in Bel Air included time spent in a stately Colonial White stucco house directly across from Gene Wilder's former residence. This expansive property featured 7 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, its own apple orchard, and a private tennis court, marking it as a quintessentially opulent home. The location and extensive amenities of the house, purchased for a staggering $17 million USD, underscored its luxury and Musk's taste for grandiose living spaces. Number 4. Elon Musk's Brentwood Estate. The Brentwood Estate, owned by Elon Musk, features a distinctive boomerang shape, aligning well with the futuristic tastes of a tech mogul. This modern estate, which Musk acquired for $3 million USD, is strategically perched to overlook downtown Los Angeles, offering panoramic views through its floor-to-ceiling windows. The property is encapsulated by lush hedges, enhancing its privacy and aesthetic appeal. Elon Musk, recognized as one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet, has an estimated net worth of approximately $204.5 billion, according to Celebrity Net Worth. Ranking among the top 3 richest people globally, his financial success is largely attributed to his ventures, Tesla and SpaceX, which continue to lead and disrupt the automotive and aerospace industries with groundbreaking technologies and innovations. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour inside Elon Musk's innovative and compact Boxable Casita. If you enjoyed this peek into the life of a tech titan and want to see more luxurious homes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Trend.